One area I'd like to kind of go around in circles about real quick is the concept of the address helper. So in pretty much anywhere in Service Monster, when you type in an address, you're going to get suggestions based off where you're at. And here's my location here. Now, the system found it using Google as a base. And when we pull an address in that way, we get latitude and longitude of the rooftop itself, which is very important for several reasons I'll show you in a minute. We're going to go ahead and just save this record so you can see what we do by default. We pull the map so you see, the location, geography. A lot of people, that'll trigger remembrance of what account they're dealing with here. And then we give you an actual street view of that location itself. In addition, we give you these little controls where you can use it to almost navigate like you would a camera, which is kind of cool. Go ahead and save that record. And what's most important about that is you'll notice this kind of color that you'll see a lot with that site. If I go to a schedule, for instance, and I take a look on the schedule view for today, you'll see a bunch of colors. Those colors represent proximity to your location, and we do some math and we can plot a distance and bearing, do a color overlay, and pick a color that is representative of the exact location of that residence. Using that, you can put jobs that are of like colors close together, and with that proximity detection, you can keep your fuel costs down and keep techs working instead of staring out of the windshield.